Welcome to ANS Solver question 7. So for part A, we have to complete the Venn diagram. That is pretty easy because they are telling us that the probability that Arun plays football on a Saturday is 3 by 4. So the probability that he plays will be 3 by 4 and the probability that he doesn't play will be 1 by 4. Now they are also telling us that on a Saturday the probability that Bob plays is 2 by 5 and that he doesn't play will be the remaining, that is 3 by 5. So again, the probability that he plays 2 by 5 and the probability that he doesn't play 3 by 5. Now let's move to part A2. Calculate the probability that one Saturday Arun and Bob both play. So two separate events. When you say they both play, that means Arun and Bob will play. So since it's an and, you need to multiply it. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 5. These are the probability of both of them playing. So therefore you just simplify this and you will reach the answer as 3 by 10. So this will be your final answer for part A2. Now let's move on to part A3. Calculate the probability that one Saturday either Arun plays football or Bob plays football, but not both. So the probability that Arun plays football will be 3 by 4 multiplied by the probability that Bob doesn't play. So that is 3 by 5. And that is just one of the events. The second event is that Arun doesn't play and Bob plays. So plus the probability that Arun doesn't play, which is 1 by 4, multiplied by the probability that Bob plays, which is 2 by 5. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 5 will give you 9 by 20 plus 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 5 will give you 2 by 20. So that will leave you with your final answer as 11 by 20. Now let's move to part B. Calculate the probability that Bob plays football for 2 of the next 3 Saturdays. So Bob could play football on the first Saturday and the second Saturday. 2 by 5. So first Saturday and the second Saturday, first Saturday and the last Saturday, and second Saturday and the third Saturday. So in total there are 3 possibilities. So you just need to show the working for one. So that is 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 5. So this shows that he plays 2 out of the 3 Saturdays and then multiplied by 3, because there are 3 different possibilities that can occur. As I just said, that he can play first and second Saturday, or the second and third Saturday, or the first and third Saturday. So there are 3 different events that can happen. So you can simply multiply it by 3. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 will be 12 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is 125 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 36 divided by 125. So this will be your final answer for part B. Now let's move on to part C. So for part C, they are asking us, when Arun plays football, the probability that he scores the winning goal is 1 by 7. Calculate the probability that Arun scores the winning goal one Saturday. Okay, so first we have to write the probability of Arun playing the match, which is 3 by 4 as they have written earlier. So 3 by 4 is the probability of him playing the match, and he scores the winning goal, which has the probability of 1 by 7. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 7 is equal to 3 by 28. And therefore 3 by 28 will be your final answer for part C of this question.